Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scene Tech. Today, we're going to walk you through the simple steps of creating an X account using the mobile app. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Download and open the X app. The first step is to download the X app from your device's App Store or Google Play Store. Once it's installed, tap to open the app. Step 2. Sign up for X. When you open the app, you'll be greeted with the sign up screen. Here, you'll be asked to enter your full name, phone number, or email address, and a password. Fill out this information and tap Sign Up. Step 3. Verify your phone or email. After filling out the sign-up form, X will send you a verification code via text message or email, depending on your chosen method. Enter the code in the space provided and tap Next. Step 4. Choose a username. Next, it's time to choose your username, also known as your X handle. This is the name that people will use to mention and find you on X. If your first choice is taken, X will suggest alternatives. Step 5. Customize your profile. Now that your account is set up, it's time to add some personal touches. Upload a profile picture or write a short bio to let people know who you are and what you're interested in. Step 6. Follow accounts. X is all about connecting with others. Start by following accounts that interest you. You can search for specific people or topics in the search bar at the top of the page. Step 7. Start posting. And now, it's time to send out your first post. Tap on the compose icon, type your message, and tap Post. You're officially part of the X community. Conclusion. And there you have it. You've successfully created a X account using the mobile app. Remember, X is a great platform to connect with others, share your thoughts, and stay updated on the latest news and trends. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.